and then I can restake it or stake it.
Yes.
And then take the 2 to 3% up 4 to 6 or
even higher,
7 to 9.
Yeah.
And it starts to get really interesting.
Really interesting.
And that's done with basically leverage on chain that you can only really get on chain. Is that right?
It's leverage on chain, which currently we can only get on chain.
Right. Okay. And that's super attractive because these institutions and TradFi players, they probably have a remit to own treasuries.
Yep.
But the yields are so unattractive, they're not interesting. So this is a very good reason for them to push a little bit and get into DeFi.
Yeah, and also what I believe is that if you look at the market sentiments with the new dispensation at White House coming in, DeFi is an area where everybody wants to explore, but not everybody is aware of the risk or the challenges that bring in. So at Zoth, what we are bringing is giving you an easier access to DeFi without really putting your capital, at least at the initial stage, you just put a collateral and put it on chain. Sorry.
No worries.
Yeah. You put your collateral as part of the ecosystem, put it on chain. So you have your collateral, you are still earning yield from it, but at the same time, you have this DeFi native token, which you can use for lending, for sales, for buying Bitcoin or whatever you want to do. When you return that capital, you get your collateral back. But the idea is that now your asset, which was lying dormant, which is earning 2, 3, 4% yield, gives you an access to an asset which has multiple DeFi native use cases.
Right. So powerful. I mentioned people like BlackRock and Franklin Templeton. Do you think at some point they'll try to buy you? Do you think at some point they'll try to use your protocols? Because you guys
we are working with one of the largest protocols who have issued more than $1.5 billion worth of US treasuries and money market products on chain as collateral already. It's just a matter of time. We're already working with some of the top financial institutions, helping them basically understand the DeFi ecosystem and how to really leverage distribution around this space.
Hey, I know investing in crypto is scary. It takes a real leap of faith because there are so many scams, rug pulls, and bad actors out there. It's a dangerous business, which is why 95% of people lose all their money. Well, that's why I created the London Real Investment Club, so you can access the hottest deals on the planet and use the crypto bull market to create the generational wealth that you deserve. Join my team of over 100 people from around the world that are making millions of dollars behind the scenes investing in blockchain, AI, Web3 games, DeFi, Bitcoin, and more. Don't miss out. Click the link below to book a call with one of my team now. But hurry, this bull market will end soon.
I know investing in crypto can be scary. That's why you gotta join the investment club. Pull the trigger. Let's do this.
Pritam, what's your hardest job? I mean, I know you have a background in traditional finance. You worked in London, which probably used to be the most important financial capital in the world. Maybe it's number 2. So you know how the city works. You know how these old school bankers work. And I used to be one of those bankers. I spent 5 years on Wall Street, Chicago, and then 10 years in London. Are you so successful at this because you know how to speak their language? What is the hard part? Is it having those meetings with TradFi people, or is it just making the tech that makes it a no-brainer, or is it both?
I think tech is easy, especially at Zoth. We have a unique composition of the team. There's a team which me and a couple of players who have very strong TradFi experience, but at the same time, we have a team which is completely DeFi degen. They live, breathe crypto. So with combination of this team, one of our major USP is tech and product-driven marketing. Working with the traditional finance institution is the hard part, not just for us, for any crypto company, but where we have been able to make progress is because of our background. We understand both worlds. We are able to speak their language, explain to them the risk, the challenges, the issues. And look, crypto, I believe, is right now in a space where everybody wants to dip their toes and try to figure out what's happening. So that's a unique opportunity for us. But yeah, I believe to be successful in RWA, you need to speak the language of both worlds. And that's what at Zoth we are able to do because of the experience me and the team has in the space.
Okay. Is there any specific region or financial center you've had more success in? Is it, a Singapore or a London or a New York?
We had very good exposure in Singapore, Hong Kong, and Dubai also. We had regulated fund structure based in Luxembourg and Cayman. I believe the most, US is as a market, we haven't ventured out that much yet, but I believe that's a potential in the future. But yeah, the most success has been in pretty much all major global financial centers.
To continue watching the rest of the episode for free, visit our website londonreal.tv or click the link in the description below.